Namaste, I am Seema Kukreja and I welcome you to another soul touching episode of The Silent Fix. Today's truth is a tender one and one that we as parents must face with courage and love. Are we, without even realizing it, breaking the emotional bond with our children? This is not about judgment, it's about awakening. So let's breathe in truth and breathe out guilt. First, let us look at what emotional bonds are made of. Think about your child, now an adult. What holds your relationship together? It's not money or advice or even shared blood. It's the emotional bond, the space between you filled with trust, respect, listening, and love. But sometimes, unknowingly, we tear small holes in that bond. And over time, those holes become gaps. Those gaps become distance. And before we know it, we are sitting in silence, wondering what went wrong. Today, I want to gently shine a light on how these emotional breaks happen, even when our hearts are full of love. Let's look at four common ways parents unknowingly break the bond. First one, over advising instead of listening. We want the best for our children, but sometimes, in our rush to protect or guide, we start giving advice before we even hear them. They feel unseen, unheard, and they begin to hide their struggles from us because they know it'll turn into a lecture. Instead, try this. Pause and say, I'm here to listen, not fix. You'll be amazed how that shifts the energy. Number two, using guilt as a form of love. After all, I did for you. I sacrificed so much, and this is how you treat me? These words don't bring them closer, they push them away. Love isn't about reminding them of our pain, it's about holding space for theirs. Guilt is a wall, empathy is a bridge. Number three, emotional shutdown or outbursts. If we shut down emotionally or explode when hurt, we create emotional danger zones. Children learn it's not safe to be real with my parents. They retreat, they protect themselves, they disconnect. When they really need is emotional safety, our ability to respond, not react. Number four, living through them, not with them. Sometimes, without realizing it, we try to live our dreams through our children. We pressure them to follow a path we think is right, but it's not their truth. And slowly, they start distancing themselves because being around us means being untrue to themselves. Let them grow, let them fall, let them choose and walk beside them, not ahead of them. Now that we know how emotional bonds break, here's the good news: they can be rebuilt. It starts with awareness, it deepens with healing, and it thrives with conscious communication. Begin your day by asking yourself, when was the last time I truly listened to my child without correcting? When was the last time I said, I'm sorry, instead of, you should have? What part of me is still wounded and needs healing before I can fully connect? These questions can transform the energy of your relationship. The emotional bond between you and your child is sacred. It may be strained, but it's not gone. Today, let your parenting journey be about presence, not perfection. I invite you to reflect with small shift. Can you make today to repair even one broken thread in your bond? If this episode gave you clarity or touched your heart, do share it with another parent. Comment below with one insight you're taking away. Your story may heal another soul too. Until next time, keep walking the path of healing because your love is powerful, and when love heals, families rise. Namaste, goodbye, and take care and love yourself.